Want to make $100 a day online? Freelancing is the answer. You can work from anywhere, be your own boss, and achieve financial freedom. It takes hustle and strategy. I'll show you how. Let's dive in. This could be you. Imagine working from anywhere, setting your own hours, and having complete control over your income. With freelancing, that dream becomes a reality. This guide will give you the exact steps to make your first $100 a day online. We'll explore popular platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, discuss essential skills, and teach you how to promote your services. Get ready to unlock your earning potential. Fiverr is a great platform to start freelancing. It's easy to use and has a huge market of potential clients. First, create a professional profile. Highlight your skills and experience. Next, create gigs or services you offer. When setting your prices, start low to attract clients. As you gain positive reviews, gradually increase your rates. Remember, excellent customer service is key on Fiverr. Respond promptly to messages and over-deliver on your promises. Provide high-quality work and request feedback from your clients. Positive reviews will boost your credibility and attract more customers. Fiverr even allows you to offer gig extras for additional income. Upwork is another excellent platform for freelancers. It's known for its professional environment and higher-paying projects. Create a detailed Upwork profile showcasing your skills and experience. When applying for jobs, tailor your proposals to each specific project. Don't just copy and paste the same proposal. Take the time to understand the client's needs and explain how your skills can benefit them. Highlight your relevant experience and showcase your portfolio. Upwork allows you to set hourly rates or bid on fixed-price projects. Research the average rates for your skills to set competitive prices. Building a strong reputation on Upwork can lead to long-term clients and higher earnings. Section 4. Mastering in-demand freelancing skills. To succeed in freelancing, you need in-demand skills. Here are a few options. Book cover design is a lucrative skill, especially with the rise of self-published authors. Learn to create eye-catching covers that attract readers. Logo design is another sought-after skill. Businesses need logos to establish their brand identity. Mastering website building is also crucial. Many businesses need websites but lack the technical skills to create them. Finally, blog setup and management are in high demand. Businesses need engaging content to reach their target audience. Section 5. Promoting your freelancing business. Promoting your services is essential for success. Use social media platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram to reach potential clients. Share your portfolio, testimonials, and blog posts showcasing your expertise. Engage with your followers, participate in relevant groups, and offer valuable insights. Networking is key in the freelancing world. Attend online and offline events to connect with potential clients and collaborators. Remember, consistency is key. Consistently delivering high-quality work, promoting your services, and refining your skills will lead to long-term freelancing success and financial freedom. Now go crush it. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a like. Also check in the description area of this video for any specials or discounts we may have for you. May the good Lord always bless you and keep you.